In this video, I will show you how to add new sticker in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to install a plugin. So click in here for this search bar and search in here for Ditty. So once you have searched for this, we should be able to see some search results related to this one. And you can see in here this Ditty responsive news stickers, sliders, and the likes. So head over and click on it right here. And then once you have clicked on it, click on this install and activate in order to install and activate this particular plugin into your WordPress. So as you can see right here, Ditty has been installed. So we need to click on this add new option right here in order to add a new sticker on our actual WordPress. So here is what it looks like right now when you try to create a new Ditty. So let's try to scroll down right here. So this is what it looks like. You can see in here this content. So for example, for this case, let's say something like, welcome to our site. Please subscribe. So let's say something like that. And then you can put in here some link title, target, no follow, as well as a label. So once you're done with that, click on this update item settings and you can see in here our actual update. Now you can click on this right here in order to actually see its display. You can make it general or navigation, and you can also change the style as you want. And you can see in here the settings for that. You can change this name. For example, right here, let's name this welcome. And then you can also make the status active and also the Ajax. So in here, you can see the preview background color. So for example, for this case, let's preview its background color into something like this, which is pink. And then from in there, you can see in here our actual word. And you can also make this move. Now, as you can see, it's still not moving. So click on this change type and choose in here a ticker and click on this update type. And as you can see right now, it's actually moving. So head over and click on this save Ditty right here in order to save this progress that you have made. Now let's head back right here and we can actually just add this. Now on the settings page right here, you can see the short code. So head over and copy that. And then once you have copied that, head over to any page that you want to add it. So I'll head over and add this to any page that I have. So here's my page. I'll just head over and click on this edit page right here. And then once I have done that, it will show me the block editor of WordPress itself. So here it is right here. Let's just search in here for short code. Here it is. So let's try to drag this right here on any part of the page wherein you want to put it. So for me, on my case, I'll head over and put it just below here. And I should be able to see it from in here. So let me just paste in here the short code. And from in there, click on the save icon right here in order to save it. Now you can also click on this icon right here in order to preview it once it's done saving. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.